Good Tuesday, everyone. Looking at our USA mortgage level of concern, we're level 2 for dangerously cold temperatures and slick spots on some area side roads. Be very careful if you're out and about. You sure don't want to have any car trouble and temperatures as cold as they are. I'm 7 degrees on my thermometer this morning, even with cloudy skies. So, man, tonight it is going to be brutally cold. Premier generators bringing us our winter weather threat level, and it is those cold temperatures that we're concerned about. Extreme, dangerously cold temperatures. It's cold during the day, but you wait till tonight. Tonight's going to be the coldest night I think we've seen. I would be surprised if that's not how that works out. And Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our very chilly 5-day forecast. At least it starts out chilly, but it does warm up. But look at that, only in the teens today. With these clouds, we're just not going to see any warmth. And then we go, once the skies clear out later this evening and tonight, I think we're going to be right around zero. Some of y'all going to be -2, -1. Some of y'all be 0, 1, 2. It's cold. It is going to be so cold. Chance of flurries today. No accumulation at all. You just might see a flurry fly by. Now, Wednesday, it looks like the sun's going to come out. It's going to stay out because it's going to be clear Tuesday night. And then the sun's going to stay out Wednesday, and we get up into the low 30s. That might be a little optimistic, but let's say 31. We might end up being more like 29, 30. But we'll see. We got a south breeze that's going to turn around. But the thing about it is I think what some people might not be thinking about is that the deep south down near the coast is going to be snow covered. So it's going to be hard to get warm air to blow up here from the south when parts of the south are covered in snow. In fact, this morning, I think they upgraded portions of southwest Louisiana to a blizzard warning. So this might be their blizzard of '93 event in Louisiana. What was for us a blizzard is probably what there's going to be their blizzard of 2025, which just doesn't have the same ring to it. But they're having a time down there this morning along the Gulf. The entire northern Gulf Coast is under a winter storm warning, which is just so bizarre. Now Thursday, we see partly cloudy skies. We get up into the mid to upper 30s. So we get above freezing on Thursday, and I'm very confident in that. And then Friday, clouds come back in, another system moves in. It's a very dry, very weak system, but it knocks our temperatures back down into the low 30s and brings just a chance for some flurries, no accumulation, and then lows in the teens. And then Saturday, we're partly cloudy with highs in the mid 40s. And that's ahead of another storm system that'll be coming in here for Sunday. And the Weichert Realtors 6 to 10 day threat outlook shows that. So this is a Sunday system that we're watching. It had looked all rain yesterday, last night, and today. It's probably going to end up being one of those situations where it starts out as a little wintry mix, and then it rains. So we'll see though. This is still just Tuesday morning, and we're talking about something on Sunday, and we're in a very active pattern with a lot of moving parts. So if some of those parts start moving more toward a wintry direction, then we could be talking about more of a wintry situation on Sunday. But right now, I would say with my confidence, I'm about 70% confident that it's going to be mostly rain. But there's all that's 30% hanging out there that's got me a little leery. I will say this, we need precipitation. That 5-day forecast is dry. So, and we're in a drought. So we have got to get some rain around here, or we're going to end up in some water issues. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramble Brook Boutique, 1935. Nashville reports an early morning high temperature of 69 before a strong cold front passed through and dropped the temperature to 36 by 7 a.m., 24 degrees by noon, and 14 degrees by 7 p.m. The temperature drops another 2 degrees for a low of 12, a daily range of 57 degrees. 3 inches of snow even falls that evening. And then again, on this day in 1959, a cold front drops the temperature at Nashville a remarkable 59 degrees from a high of 74 down to 15. Temperature ranges at other locations include Cookeville with a 55-degree drop and Crossville with a 52-degree drop. That's a little much. You folks have a little much, yeah. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday, and keep looking up, and please stay warm. And oh my goodness, please make sure those fur babies are okay outside, and the animals, and everything's all fed and watered, and make sure those water bowls are, because it's all the water's froze solid. So make sure everything has fresh water, and just take care of your neighbors. Make sure they're doing all right and staying safe and warm and got safe sources of heat. Let's all take care of each other. You folks have a wonderful day, and keep looking up for more weather information. Meteorologistmark.com.